So, you are considering the Bachelor of Economics here at UNSW Business School. Fantastic! But I bet you've got a few questions. Let us start with the big one. What can I do with an economics degree? Well, quite a lot. Dangerously bordering into almost everything. Wherever there are interesting and important problems being solved, you'll find economists. Our graduates work as policy advisor in governments, analyst in financial markets, consultant across industry, as researchers in academia, and of course, as entrepreneurs. The skill that you build through this degree, problem solving, communication, leadership, and rigorous quantitative analysis, they translate across all industries and sectors. Plus, if you want to take your studies further before stepping into the workforce, this degree offers a direct pathway into an honors year and our master's and PhD programs.
What will you actually study? Across 3 years, you'll build the core skills that every economist needs, a foundation of microeconomics, macroeconomics, and econometrics. You'll then have the choice to complete an optional economics major in macroeconomics and financial markets, economic policy and society, or data analytics and econometrics. Plus, you can mix and match electives from across the business school to deepen your understanding and pursue your curiosity.
Can you combine economics with something else? Absolutely, and many of our students do. Within the economics degree, you can structure your elective course to complete an optional major or minor from within the business school. Areas such as finance, marketing, accounting, and international business are all available. You can even add another degree. Economics and law is a popular combination. So is economics, commerce, arts, or science. The choice is yours.
Why study economics at UNSW? UNSW Sydney is a top 20 global university. Our School of Economics is the best academic department in Australia and boasts a global top 40 ranking in economics and econometrics. Our rankings reflect the quality of our research, teaching, and societal impact. Finally, we combine this academic excellence with a unique proximity to industry. The Bachelor of Economics provides access to real industry experience with internships and global business practicums built directly into the program.
So, is this for you? If you are interested in people, policy, and data, if you want to test systems and question assumptions, if you want to understand how the world works, the Bachelor of Economics will give you the tools to create a meaningful impact and improve lives. We assume that you'll have a solid background in mathematics, but you don't need to have studied economics before. You just need to be curious and willing to think deeply.
How do you apply? The Bachelor of Economics is a 3-year degree, and applications are made through the UAC website. So, if you want a degree that will deepen your understanding of the world, give you the tools to make great impact, and prepare you for virtually every industry, join us.